Hello everyone, please like and subscribe my channel Brilliant Houseplant.
Now there is no need to go to different shops or vegetable grocers in search of lettuce or to go to restaurants for lettuce sandwiches, burgers and salad bowls because you will see how easy it is to grow and harvest lettuce at home like other green leafy vegetables. Lettuce is also called salad patta. It is the best choice for those who have limited space and stamina for physical work while gardening. It is an ideal plant for kitchen gardeners. In ideal weather, its seeds germinate between 1 week to 15 days. You can sow them in small cups of 4-inch size, then transplant these plants to bigger containers or gardens. Moreover, you can grow lettuce between or around the plants already on the ground. The best time to transplant lettuce is when 3 to 4 leaves grow on the seedlings. Lettuce seeds are lightweight and black. Nursery soil mixed with a handful of compost without stones or pebbles is suitable for sowing seeds. Sow the seeds 1 cm or ½ inch deep. Soil should be well watered before sowing seeds. In warm regions, 35 degrees Celsius is suitable when sowing lettuce seeds, but in cold areas, sow the seeds when the temperature is between 16 to 25 degrees Celsius. Heat may cause lettuce seeds to decay and leaves may become bitter. Sow the seeds at that place or container where it receives 2 hours of early morning sunlight. Lettuce grows best in well-drained soil with regular watering. It should not turn dry. Feed them after every 15 to 20 days with an organic nitrogen-rich fertilizer for better growth. Protect the growing plant from the attacks of snails and slugs because they will destroy the plants by eating their young leaves. Spray the plant with any organic pesticide every 7 to 14 days to avoid pest attacks. Neem oil is a natural pesticide, but rosemary oil is also used as an alternative to neem oil because it is more effective. Moreover, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, and dish soap are good options to clean foliage. Many gardeners mix strong-smelling oils like garlic, clove, peppermint, and thyme with water into a spray bottle to kill aphids. The best time to harvest lettuce leaves is early in the morning. Always harvest leaves at the base in the form of a bunch. To make your burgers and sandwiches tastier, pluck a few leaves of lettuce as desired for half an hour before making a sandwich or burger. Wash them and keep them in cold water to retain the crispness of the leaves.
Thanks for watching.